Hi, my name is Jacob and I'm the creator of That Sampling Life. We like to think outside the box with music and sound. Today we're going to be looking at how to open our sample instruments in your DAW. I've created instruments for Ableton, Logic, and using the TX16WX sampler. Long name, but great sampler plugin because it's free. So today we're going to look at how to open some Roland System 1 patches. This will apply to any sample instrument that Sampling Life creates. So when you get a pack from us, it'll be in a zip file. To open it, you just double click it and you'll end up with a folder like this. And here we have all the patches that I made free for the Roland System 1. In each pack you get an Ableton, Logic and TX16WX sample instrument. We'll start with the Ableton one first. So to open this instrument in Ableton, we need to unpack this Ableton ALP file. So you just double click it and it asks you where you want to extract it to. I recommend putting it back in the same folder with the ALP file. There you go, open, does its thing. It'll open Ableton. I already had it open in the background. And you get a project file with the patch in it. So now open up Ableton and you come down to places and go add folder and navigate to where your patch is. I was already there. Click on the folder, go open, and it'll open up in your places thing. You have the project file from Ableton. And you click on that and the patch is there. You double click that and now it's open in Ableton. Now you can play it. And it's sampled across 4 octaves. Now we're going to look at how to open our instruments in Logic in the new sampler plugin. So you open an empty project or whatever project you want. You add a software instrument to be greeted with this window. You come down, make sure your instrument track is selected, come down to instrument and look for not quick sampler, we want sampler multi-sample and choose stereo, mono, doesn't really matter. You'll now be greeted with Logic's new sampler plugin. You come up to factory default, load, and then you navigate to where you extracted sampler instruments. Let's do a different patch this time. Let's go patch 5. Navigate to the Logic, and then double click this. This won't happen to you. I've just got multiple copies of it. Hopefully it doesn't happen to you. So I'll hit OK. Go to track selected, and we should be able to play it now. Let's go a spooky go. To use our instruments with the TX16WX sampler, you're going to need to download it. So you go to their website, I'll leave a link, and you hit download, then you choose if you're on Mac or Windows. I'm on Mac, so I'll download that. Downloaded, you click on that, you just run through the setup. Next, then you open up your DAW of choice. I'm using Ableton at the moment. Don't listen to this guy because it works in everything according to the website. So once you've installed the sampler, you look for it in your plugins folder in Ableton. The same in Logic. I assume you know how to open plugins in Logic as well. If not, there's many tutorials on it. TX16WX sampler, double click on that. Make sure you have a MIDI track open. And you'll get a window like this. So I have my folder exported on my desktop. You navigate to what patch you want, and you want the TX16 instrument. Now you just click on that, drag it into Ableton, drop it on there. Should be able to just load it, but it doesn't want to work today. Then we get rid of this first channel, make sure this is channel 1, make sure this is MIDI 1, and go into your DAW, make sure your track is enabled to play, and we should be able to play it. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Consider checking out the sample packs we have available on the site.